If you're considering ListenFirst for social media management and analytics, there are 12 things you absolutely need to know to make the right decision, especially if you're comparing it to competitors like Sprout Social, Hootsuite, or Brandwatch. Stick around, because these points might save you time, money, and a few headaches. First up, ListenFirst excels at enterprise-level analytics. Its strength lies in pulling detailed insights from social platforms, helping you uncover trends and measure performance. However, for smaller teams or individuals, its robust reporting tools might feel overwhelming or unnecessarily complex. Next thing, the platform's competitive intelligence features are top-notch. You can track competitors' performance across platforms and benchmark against industry averages. While this is great for big brands, many other tools like Sprout Social offer similar functionality with a more user-friendly interface. The third thing is integrations. ListenFirst integrates with most major social platforms and some CRM tools, but it doesn't have the seamless cross-platform publishing capabilities that tools like Hootsuite provide. If you're managing multiple accounts and need to schedule posts across platforms quickly, this might be a drawback. Moving on, ListenFirst's customer sentiment analysis stands out. It provides in-depth emotional analysis from user interactions, which can be crucial for brand health. But this comes at a cost, both in terms of pricing and the learning curve to understand and utilize the data effectively. The fifth thing to note is that ListenFirst doesn't prioritize publishing. Unlike tools such as Buffer or Hootsuite, it focuses heavily on analytics and insights. If scheduling and post optimization are your main goals, you'll likely find its publishing tools lacking. Next, pricing is a major factor. ListenFirst is tailored for larger enterprises and comes with a price tag to match. While it delivers premium insights, smaller teams or solo marketers might find more cost-effective solutions in competitors like Zoho Social or Later. Seventh thing, the platform's dashboards are customizable but not as intuitive as some alternatives. If you're not familiar with analytics tools, you may find it takes time to set up and navigate compared to Sprout Social or HubSpot. Another key point is its focus on historical data. ListenFirst shines in giving you access to years of performance data, but it can feel limited in real-time analytics compared to faster platforms like Brandwatch. Ninth thing, the reporting options are highly detailed and exportable. However, they often require manual tweaking to meet specific needs, which can add time to your workflow if you're looking for plug-and-play reports. A crucial factor is customer support. While ListenFirst offers robust support for enterprise clients, smaller users might find response times slower or tailored more to larger organizations. The 11th thing is its learning curve. ListenFirst is feature-rich, but that comes with complexity. Competitors like Hootsuite and Sprout Social are far easier to get up and running with if you're new to social media management. Finally, scalability. ListenFirst is a solid choice for large organizations managing high-volume accounts and requiring advanced analytics. But for growing businesses or individuals, the steep costs and learning curve may outweigh its benefits. Overall, ListenFirst is a powerful option for enterprises that prioritize deep analytics and competitive intelligence. But if you're looking for something more affordable, intuitive, and versatile, check out our recommended solution. You can even try it for free.